cut! We have another cloud shape here. Really? Another cloud shape here? What is it this time? Blue square? Oh, Tucker's a placement because Tucker's a Xbox store with Semi and June. Yes, I never heard that before. Alright guys, what do you have to buy? I'll buy console. And yes, and Sammy, what did you buy? The controller. Yes, and Tucker, what did you buy? Some Xbox Series and X games. Wow, I'll never see those buyings before. Can you pay off the dollars for a price? Yes, I got some dollars. Wow, the footage is so long. Anyways, we'll wait for Tucker to come back, and then we will do take 21.
And action!